Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to easily change your Kia Forte's daytime running lights. First, gather your tools: a flathead screwdriver, a pick tool, and your replacement bulb. It is important to verify your specific bulb type, like a 7506 or 7528, by inspecting the old one. For best results, consider replacing both bulbs at the same time for uniform brightness. To access the bulb, begin by turning your steering wheel completely to the side you are replacing the light on. Next, carefully remove about 3 to 4 plastic clips from the fender liner using a flathead screwdriver or a pick tool. Once the clips are out, gently pull back the fender liner to expose the daytime running light bulb housing. Now, locate the bulb housing, which is typically a round component. Twist it counterclockwise about 45 degrees to release it from the assembly. Carefully pull the housing out, then push in and twist the old bulb counterclockwise to remove it. Insert your new bulb, ensuring you do not touch the glass, then twist it clockwise to secure it in the housing. To finish up, reinsert the bulb housing into its slot, turning it clockwise until it is firmly locked in place. Next, carefully reposition the fender liner and secure it using all the plastic clips you removed earlier. Finally, start your vehicle and check that your new daytime running light is working properly. You have successfully replaced your Kia Forte's DRL bulb.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.